Snowflake exploded 36% today. Not Nvidia, not AMD, not Microsoft, Snowflake. And honestly, that might have been the most important move on the entire tape because just a few days ago, a lot of traders, and myself included, were starting to question whether the easy money in AI was behind us. I mean, you look at Nvidia, it delivered incredible earnings and it barely moved. Software names like Intuit got punished. Salesforce disappointed. It, I mean, looked like money was rotating somewhere else. Then today, Snowflake happened. Same AI theme, completely different reaction. So you got to ask what changed, right? What changed since last week? Because if you are a day trader or swing trader, that's the question that actually matters, that what actually changed. Not whether AI is bullish, not whether AI is bearish. The question is where money is flowing right now. And that's exactly what we're going to break down in today's quick video. First, what I got right, then what I got wrong. I'm going to just break it down here on this video. And finally, the game plan, which I will be breaking down in our pre-market session. So, starting with what I got right and wrong. Okay. Let's start with the honest assessment because I think that's really important. Last weekend, I told you I thought the AI trade was getting harder. And yes, I still think that it's true, but I was wrong about one important thing. I thought money was rotating away from AI. The market showed us something different, that money isn't leaving AI. Money is becoming extremely selective inside AI. That's a very different message, right? That's a completely different message. So look at what happened this week. I mean, this has been a short week, but just look what happened this week. Nvidia still barely moving, right? You look at that, it's still barely moving ever since it posted its earnings. Salesforce got punished, Intuit got punished, MongoDB got crushed after earnings, but Snowflake delivered. And that stock exploded 36%. You can see it on your screen right now. The market isn't buying every AI stock anymore. The market is rewarding the winners and punishing the losers. That's at least that's what it seems like. That's a stock picker's market, not a basket market. And honestly, that's a healthier environment than what we had earlier this week. So, what today was really about, right? You got to ask what today was really about. Snowflake wasn't just an earnings beat, it was confirmation. The company beat expectations. Guidance came in stronger than expected, and the um, AWS partnership gave traders something they care about even more: evidence that AI spending remains alive. That's important because the biggest fear recently wasn't that the AI was disappearing. The fear was that spending would start slowing down. Today's reaction pushed back against that narrative completely. The market basically said, show me real growth, show me real customers, show me real spending, and I'll reward you. That's what happened today, right? And meanwhile, oil continued uh, moving lower after reports of progress surrounding Iran negotiations. That helped yields ease, that helped risk assets, and it gave growth stocks another tailwind. So today's rally wasn't just Snowflake, it was Snowflake plus lower oil plus lower yields. And now that's a powerful combination. So, what lessons should traders take away from today? Now, slow down with me for a second, okay? Because I think this is the most important lesson from today's tape. A lot of traders try to be right, okay? Including myself. The market doesn't pay us for being right. The market pays us for adapting. If the tape changes, we change. That's the job. A few days ago, it looked like AI leadership was fading. Today, the market gave us new information. Snowflake forced traders to rethink that idea. That's not weakness. That's exactly how trading is supposed to work, right? You don't marry a thesis, you follow the money. And that concept itself, in itself, like following the money, can have huge impact on your success rate. And right now, the money is still willing to reward companies that are executing. The difference is the market is no longer giving every AI stock a free pass.